Hi there, songbirding listeners. I just wanted to do a quick announcement that you can also catch me doing live birding streams on twitch.tv. For those who know what Twitch is, you can just go direct to twitch.tv/songbirder. But if Twitch is something new to you, just go to songbirdingscom/live to learn more. The rest of what you'll hear now comes from the audio of a live stream done recently. I hope you enjoy. Start just in time for an airplane to go by. So we have red-winged blackbird. Lots of swamp sparrows. Some song sparrows. I was at a spot where I had a lot of ruby-crowned kinglets, but internet connectivity was not good. Also had bittern. Oh, got a great blue heron just flew over my head. Hopefully the kinglets come this way. Oh, I actually hear one. So they are going to come this way. Oh, duck. Two duck. Might see him flying by on the right, maybe. Red-winged blackbird over here. Let's get a look at him. I'm going to have to change my settings for quality so I can do super zoom digital for when he's there. He moved. Yeah, it's going to be backlit, but it's deciding to hang out low in the shrubs. Why am I disconnected from chat? Let's try this again. Connected to chat now. Alright, if there was any messages in the last minute, I missed them because my app decided to disconnect me from chat. So if you said hi or anything, just feel free to repeat it. Nope. Second bird with him. Oh, what do we got here? Something big flying by. Why can I not see those on the camera? I got 3 swans or 3 cranes. I think it's swans. Cranes wouldn't be so quiet. Hey, Parky Martian, how are you? rose-breasted grosbeak at the feeder. Oh, that's amazing. I haven't seen any yet this year here. They're usually really at the end of April, early May. The absolute end of April here is when they arrive. Birdsong isn't as dense as the spot I tried to start it, but it's pretty good right here. Surprised none of these birds have landed near me yet. Last time it was far less active and they'd land right beside me. Hey Jamie, how's it going? Hope you have a good morning. Oh, let's see here. Well, this guy isn't too close to us, but he's in frame. Oh, there was another distant, I think it was Sora this time. Let's hope one of these marsh birds come this way. It's gonna be pretty startling sounding. Last time I streamed here, right after I cut stream, a group of sandhill cranes created a ruckus. It would have been great to listen to. Super startling and loud. So I'm hoping I hear that again today. Until some birds get closer, go back to our Bob Ross scenery here. I do have a new camera on the way though, one that should give me a clearer view. It's been like 5 years since I bought a new camera, and I have been just waiting for new models to come out, but the specific kind of camera I need for what I do doesn't come out very often. So I'm going to have to go with something that came out like 4 years ago. Seems to be only the Red Wings giving us halfway decent views. And I think you're at the top of this tree, right? Is that it? No, down a bit. There you go. I can hear a nuthatch out there. Well, there was a kinglet song. What's this coming in? Something's coming in. And then it's leaving. It's really dark. Too big to be a swallow, I don't know. Could just be another blackbird. Getting a little quieter now. Find that a song in places like this for the morning comes in waves. Oh, there's a brown-headed cowbird somewhere in there. So our swamp sparrows are at it again. I see some swallows checking out a birch, a dead birch. Wonder if they found a cavity there. It's a bit distant though. Oh, thanks for the bits. Thanks so much, Heavenly Dew. It's appreciated. Listen to those swamp sparrows. This place probably has the most song sparrows I've heard in a while. I said before there's probably five singing. It's probably more than that. There's this ringing trill. That da-da-da-da-da-da-da, kind of like a school bell going off. Oh, no, unfortunately I'm too far north for scissortails. That would be a big rarity here. We get maybe one sighting a year in this province. Oh, we got a redwing. Perched on top of a birch here. Not a lot of redwings today in view. Oops. Okay. Don't leave yet. There we go. He leaves. Tons of those here. Yeah, we definitely need more. There's some really entertaining stories of sightings of scissortails. I remember one of the first ones I heard of being observed in Ontario back in 2012 or 2013 was someone who literally saw it in their rear view mirror as they were driving down the road. And then they kind of slammed on the brakes and turned around and went searching. They eventually found it, but it was because they looked in the rear view mirror and saw the tail, the scissor tail of a bird flying by that just had this really, really long tail that couldn't be anything but that. Yeah, Seth Lee's stream, he has all the scissor tails you could want. Got a nice pair of them on stream last weekend. Let's see if my command is working here. Was my bot not listening? Oh, there we go. So even though there's not much to zoom in on, at least I got a nice soundscape here so far. Oh, I got these tree swallows flying about right around here. Let's see if we can get them in view. I know they're gone already. I'm just going to wait here. I'm going to make another sweep. And they are really checking out a certain tree. I was hesitant to move because I get a good signal here. Yeah, please follow Sethly. It's got some great birding content. There are not very many of us bird streamers. So we need everyone to follow all the bird streamers. Oh, I got 2 planes going by me at the same time here. At least they're being efficient. Oh, a couple ducks flying by. I was saying earlier, unfortunately these days where the sun is out and it's warm also attracts the twin engine planes. So far it's been okay though. I haven't had the experience that I often have of plane decides to come, fly by, then circle, which is always the worst. Oh, Heavenly Dew, are you a bird streamer as well? I couldn't remember. Or just a streamer in general. Yeah, it's really nice here, although I think you would find it cold for someone from Dallas. I think it's like 7 degrees Celsius right now. Maybe 8. So that would put us at what, I don't know, 60? No, less than that, 50. Oh, great blue flying by. Let's see if I can grab this, and it's kind of going to be gone before we get a good zoom on it, but I only got a picture. I didn't intend to, but I got a picture. And there's a great blue heron out of the scene. Oh, nature streamer, okay. Yeah, Seth, she's been on Doc's stream a few times. Sunset stream sounds great. First stream I ever did was and wow, 6 or 7 years ago on Periscope. That's a while back in the streaming game. I think I started streaming on Periscope / Twitter, basically after Twitter had acquired them and integrated it into the Twitter app. And I did some audio streams just, I feel like it was when COVID started, but it may have been before that. I did some. Oh, we're getting some more frogs speaking up now. Spring peepers. Got an awful lot of Canada geese making a racket. redwing will be a little less hidden in this one. It's not behind a bunch of branches. We finally started to rebuild the breeding eagle population in the past decade or two. Yeah, so sounds similar to us. Not like Alaska where they're like house sparrows. BC. It's where you'll get more eagles than crows or than anything really. What's that sound? Sound kind of like northern cardinal singing, but a little off. It's not close though. Huh. So I have to wait and see if it gets closer. Yeah, 2 members from Alaska being totally ambivalent to them. Yeah, and I keep forgetting sometimes to refresh, like, what is the sounds around here? So we definitely got red-winged blackbird. That sound there was swamp sparrow, that da-da-da-da-da-da-da, kind of like a slow ringing bell, like a school bell kind of thing. They are very similar to a pine warbler this year. Very similar to pine warbler and dark-eyed junco and worm-eating warbler. They all have kind of a trill complex. But the swamp sparrow is a lot sharper, I find, and a lot more staccato, if you know the music term. Whereas something like a pine warbler, a little softer, and it also fades in and out quite noticeably, a pine warbler, when it sings. A bunch of eagles in Manitoulin last fall also nest along Highway 17 in the Sioux. Nice. Oh, hearing a Caspian tern. Maybe that'll fly by here. Caspian terns are going to be the pterodactyl sound. Very harsh. Their call has been used and reused again and again as pterodactyl sounds in various movies. It's very harsh and striking and can surprise you quite a bit if they just fly over and suddenly vocalize. So Manitoulin's Manitoulin Island. If you know what the Great Lakes looks like, it's kind of that island that's in the middle of the Great Lakes. Part of Canada. Pretty big island. Oh. I know that sound, I just don't remember what it is. There might be a gallinule here. I think there was a common gallinule vocalization. Just one. It's definitely a bird we probably won't see, but would hear. So what else we got here that's loud and vocal? See, all those ringing ones, da-da-da-da-da-da, that's swamp sparrow. All those distant vocalizations are Canada goose. I do hear northern cardinal. It's a little far, so I don't know how much it gets picked up on the stream. There's Ruconkalee, that's red-winged blackbird, which is in view. You can see him right there in the camera. How long have I been identifying by sound? Well, that's a good question. I guess maybe I'll go with how long have I been recording bird sound. Because I think I've always been identifying by sound. A fair bit and just not knowing it, not realizing it. I started doing recordings, I feel like in 2014-ish. I acquired a high gain mic that just connects into your iPhone. Unidirectional, it just boosts the sound. Speaking of goose, let's look at these two. I think are unhappy with me. I don't know if I can zoom in on these geese. I can get a good view here. I need to switch modes so I can focus. There we go. Oh, we're in a blackbird. Mute geese. Yeah, there can be a lot to keep one busy in a small area sometimes. I don't know if you're familiar with 5MR birding, but that's something that's become more popular the last few years. The 5-mile radius birding. You see what you can get within 5 miles of your home. Oh, we got a cardinal singing. It's not super close. Might turn the mic to get better pickup of it, but I'll get at the camera first. It's northern cardinal. Let's turn the mic that way. Yeah, he's a good contrast. These geese. I'm drowning him out. "46 species on the 3-acre property. Very nice. Oh, blue jays over cardinals for snack for owls. Interesting. I wonder if this cardinal's also frustrated with the noise here. I wonder if I should try to move a bit. See if he's, oh no, they're about to leave. They decided they don't like it here. Yep. Geese can be really funny. And we go back to hearing, oh, is that? I won't be able to get it on soon enough, but as a heron went by, I feel like it had something in its mouth. I can't really tell. Great blue heron. Its mouth was open. It could have been carrying food.